Hello everybody, welcome to iExamBee's Legal Bee. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamBee. Embrace the iExamBee learning experience with us. And if you are preparing for any competitive examinations like SEBI Grade A Legal Officer exam, IBPS SO Law Officer, RRB Law Officer, various other opportunities like this, then you're at the right place. Do check out our online courses available on www.iexambee.com. इन कोर्सेज के डेमो आप एक्टिवेट करके चेक कर सकते हैं. You can write to us an email on hello@iexambee.com. Call us on the number 9205524028. And don't forget to subscribe to LegalBee. On LegalBee, we keep on bringing various videos which are beneficial in your exam preparation, whether they are strategic preparation videos or content. So stay tuned to LegalBee. Download our app from the Google Play Store and prepare 50% faster with us. How to write descriptive answers. Sample answers are being discussed in all the videos. Today we will be discussing question number 15. What is a warrant case and summons case? Distinguish between them. This is a very important and a very basic concept from Criminal Procedure Code, and many of the students are confused about the concept and the difference between warrant case and summons case. So here you get an opportunity to revise that as well, and also how you should frame a descriptive answer on this point. Start with a short introduction. Summons and warrants are two forms of criminal proceedings in the Indian legal system that differ in the methods used to initiate and conduct a trial. The issuance of a summons to the accused initiates a summons case, whereas the issuance of an arrest warrant initiates a warrant case. Trial of summons case. Section 251 of CRPC requires the court to explain the particulars to the accused and record the accused's plea. Trial of warrants case. If the accused pleads guilty, Section 252 comes into action, which provides for the accused's conviction after recording his plea and examining both prosecution and defense witnesses. Warrant cases fall under Chapter 19, defined under Section 2X of the Code. Warrant case trial begins with the filing of an FIR at the police station or the filing of a complaint with the magistrate as defined under Section 2Z. So what is the basic difference between two? Starting from the procedure itself, in warrant cases, the offences are more serious in nature. As we know that the minimum required punishment is 2 years or more than that, then only it will be registered as a warrant case. If the punishment is less than 2 years, then the case will be registered as a summons case. So in summons cases, the seriousness will be less, seriousness of the offense will be less, and therefore the procedure will also be light. And in warrant cases, there will be police station will be recording FIR, or there will be a private complaint filed before the magistrate. The charge is framed against the accused in a warrant case. In summons case, it is not compulsory, but in a warrant case, it is compulsorily framed. There are two types of warrant trials further, on the police report and other than the police report. As I told you, on the police report is something when the case begins at the police station. But if the case begins before the magistrate directly, then that will go into the second category. So here you have a word limit of 250 to 300 words. So you can limit yourself and write just a brief introduction about the two categories. अगर आपके पास ज़्यादा word limit है तो आप इसको elaborate भी कर सकते हैं. Illustrations भी आप लोग add कर सकते हैं. Now coming to another part of our question, difference between warrant case and summons case. Punishment tenure is less than 2 years. The very basic difference. 2 years of imprisonment in summons case and more than 2 years of imprisonment in warrant case. The very first difference. Summons case procedure is dealt with under Chapter 20 of CRPC, Section 252 to 259. Warrant case procedure dealt with under Chapter 19, Section 238 to 250. Charge framing in summons case. Framing of charges against the accused is not necessarily be done, but only the particulars must be conveyed to the accused. Whereas in warrant case, framing of criminal charges against the accused is mandatorily to be done. So these are the some basic procedural differences between both the cases. Again, if you have word limit, you can elaborate these points further and make it more comprehensive depending upon the question and the word limit available. We are restricting ourselves here because of the word limit. of 250 to 300 words only. Now you can conclude with a short reference of this chapter and the BNSS. Under the new criminal procedure that is provided under Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, there are no changes in trials before magistrates for summons case or warrant case. एज सच इन चैप्टर्स में कोई चेंज नहीं आया है, सिर्फ स्ट्रक्चरल चेंज है, सेक्शन नंबर्स और चैप्टर नंबर यहाँ पे चेंज हुए हैं. सो हियर द चेंज इज दैट एक्सेप्ट फॉर दैट दे आर डेल्ट अंडर चैप्टर 20 summons case is there and chapter 21 warrant case is there. Earlier we have a chapter less over here. Here the chapter number has been changed. Only difference under Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita. Stay tuned to Legal Bee and prepare 50% faster with us at iExam Bee. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Legal Bee. Download our app from the Google Play Store and get the entire course access available on our app as well. Thank you everybody. Have a nice day.